Hello, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will guide you on how to activate Tesco Bank credit card account online. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any videos from our channel. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open a web browser on a PC and there search for tescobank.com. As soon as you do that, you will be landed to its official homepage. Now from the homepage, tap on login button at top right of your screen. Now once you tap on login button, you will take into its login page. Now in here, type in your username and then tap on login button. And once you tap on login button, you will be asked to enter your password to get logged into your Tesco Bank account. And once you get logged into your Tesco Bank account, tap on card activation button and then follow on-screen prompts till the end to activate your Tesco Bank credit card online. That's all it takes to activate your Tesco Bank credit card online. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.